Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix Twitter X age verification problem. If you're finding it difficult to verify your age on Twitter and you don't know how, or you don't know how to do it, in today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to do that. So, first off, you come across this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Let's dive right into the video. First step you need to take, you need to open up X and go to your profile. Here, you're scrolling down and click on settings and privacy. So on the settings of privacy here, you are clicking on your account. So on your account here, you are clicking on account info. So here you will be able to verify your age. If your age is not yet verified, you are going to be seeing the notification of where you can actually verify your age here. So as you can see, my age is verified. So that is it on how you can actually verify your age on Twitter. If you found this helpful, because you're going to read another video, please just subscribe to the channel. Tell me comment section you this one to got a long channel. I want to give you guys feedback. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.